Andrew, what did you have for breakfast this morning?
Breakfast, chef breakfast. Absolutely nothing.
If the world ends tomorrow, what is the one Kum Kee sauce that you can't live without?
Oh, that's simple. That one Lee Kum Kee would have to be the original, which is the oyster sauce. The absolute dynamite in adding in marinades, sauces, bases, everything.
Love it. What is your favourite childhood comfort food?
My favourite childhood comfort food would have to be probably really lightly steamed sea bass with ginger, spring onion, and a delicious kind of light sweetened soy to go over the top.
Did you start cooking with the intention of becoming a celebrity Michelin star chef?
No, I never intended to even be a chef. One of life's surprises, I guess. Let's cook. Traditional tiger salad. I became really obsessed with this idea of this tiger salad. The idea of eating salad in general in China is quite a novel concept. Of course, there are areas in the southern part of China that border Yunnan where there are kind of more flavors that you might associate with Thailand or Laos. And it's very much in celebrating this history, celebrating the fact that borders have merged over time. The Xinjiang cumin lamb. So the story behind this dish is really very much about an evolution, and most chefs will tell you this. A lot of dishes that we come up with, they don't necessarily start off the same as what they've become. Over the years, it changed and it evolved. We found different ways to barbecue the lamb, different ways to marinate the lamb. 3 stages. The first stage is to make the dough. The second stage is to wrap the dough. And then the third stage, cook it, dress it.